Documentation of SONN, SONN trade. A lot of volume here in pre-market. 300,000, 200,000, 150,000, and then 6 million in the open. Let's go back to 5. You could have traded open range high. I missed that. I was looking at other stuff. But instead I traded A, B, C, D pattern several times. Classic day trading pattern. A, B, C, consolidate, trade as it takes new high on the 5 after consolidation. Sell at the high. Part or all. I sold all. Consolidated. Even better. Now we have a mini flag here on the 5 minute. Trade as it takes new range. New 5 breaks out over here. Sell part or all. Now I have a better buffer. So I sold part here at the new high over here. So a bit higher here. Held the rest. And we should look at the day levels also. But once we have the 2 level, pushed straight through that. Like I was thinking of selling here, and these are all the levels I drew. Pushed up so hard. Yeah, sorry. And then came up to 250. I was thinking, should I sell here? And then I drew this level. Like if it took two, it's a lower high and a lower low on one, but I'm like, if it's holding here, I'm gonna let it go because I have a small position now. So I think I might have sold some here. I don't remember, but I held the rest. I let it ride. Let's see what's happened, because with all that volume, it can go really far. And I had looked at the news now. The news was good. Let's look at the news later. And as we go to the daily. And then what else? Yeah, it came up here. And here's a gap fill at 261. Around 260. And here it sells off some. And then you have a really high volume candle. That's where I get noticed. I have danger zone for that. And then I'm looking to see what happens. And I actually sold on this candle around here. I'm not sure exactly, but it's around 264, I think. And not at the top, but very close. And then it actually fell down. And I was thinking I could have traded it here. I was watching it, but I'm like, why? Like, yeah, I feel it's like it can go another day, but why? It did go up again to this level, and then, or just before, then it fell down quite hard, around 25%. So that was a really good trade for me, like process-wise. The only thing is I missed the open, but I have a job, so I was doing other stuff and concentrating on also other trades. So the news, agreement with Janssen for the evaluation of 3 Sonnet product candidates. And I think the market liked that. We have a lot of volume over here, 50 million, which I have marked. Also a push up. So it has history of doing this. And it will, when trading really down. So I think the market can like analyze this or interpret it as, let's say, a saving of the company. Like no matter what, if it is or not, it's just the idea, the concept of it. Like if this big company supporting this company, and it seems kind of legit. So yeah, 72 million last time I looked at it, and now we came up to 104. So let's change that to 104 for next time we see it. We know this one can move, and maybe it's not over because I see over here it's coming back up 10% in post market. First down, but then up. And what else? Yeah, the gap fill. Look, I draw all these levels. It gets a bit messy the further the day goes. But on the intraday is fine, I think. And here, the gap close was the one that was the nail in the coffin, so to speak. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Look up the news yourself to learn how to analyze it. And then I don't think I can say much more. Like I said, I drew levels for like here we have a level, here we have a level. 2 was its own level. And then we probably have levels also intraday. A few of those are also intraday levels probably. Yeah, this one for example. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Trade is called ABCD, and selection is important. A lot of volume, good catalyst, or a catalyst that can be interpreted to be good for the day. It's a day trade. Yeah, that's it. See you guys in the next video.